Are you looking for the top 5 best budget solar lights? Which one actually works? When you search for budget solar lights, everything looks the same. Same black plastic, same motion sensor claims, same super bright labels. But the real difference isn't in the photos or the descriptions. It's in how they actually perform at night, in the rain, or after a few months of use. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually works.
Product number 1, Tough Enough 2500 LM Security Lights. First up, the Tough Enough 2500 LM Solar Security Lights. At $37.99 for a 2-pack, these stand out because they come with a remote control, something rare in budget solar lights. The 210 LEDs promise serious brightness, and with 3 adjustable heads, you can aim light exactly where you need it. If you want strong, customizable outdoor lighting without running wires, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 270-degree wide-angle coverage and 26-foot motion detection mean you're not just lighting a small patch. You're covering driveways, backyards, or side gates with real security-grade illumination. The 2,000 mAh battery and high-efficiency solar panel help it last through the night, even after partly cloudy days. Plus, the IP65 waterproof rating means it'll survive storms, snow, and whatever your local weather throws at it. Over 10,000 sold in the past month shows people are trusting it. Now, some people complained about the remote being flimsy or occasionally unresponsive. Here's the thing though, while the remote is convenient for switching modes from indoors, you can still use the physical button on the unit. And honestly, once you set it to your preferred mode, you probably won't need to change it often. The real value here is the brightness and flexibility, not the remote. This is perfect for you if you want powerful, motion-activated lighting for large outdoor areas and don't mind paying a little extra for remote control. Skip this one if you're on a super tight budget or don't need wide coverage. For under $40,
Product number 2, Defino 2500 LM non-remote lights. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for simplicity and reliability. The Defino 2500 LM solar lights. At just $24.38 for 2, these are a steal. No remote, just one button control. But don't let that fool you. With 156 high-efficiency LEDs, they pump out the same 2500 lumens as more expensive models while using less power. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The motion sensor reaches up to 40 feet, 50% farther than many competitors, and the 270-degree coverage means you can light up a whole fence line or backyard corner without blind spots. The 3 lighting modes are smart too: full motion activation, dim all night, or dim with motion boost. And because there's no remote, there's one less thing to break or lose. The IP65 rating and dusk to dawn performance mean it just works, rain or shine. Now, some people complained that the button is under a silicone cover and can be stiff to press. Here's the thing though, once you set your mode, you likely won't touch it again, and the waterproof cover actually protects it from dirt and moisture, which helps long-term reliability. For the price, this is one of the most dependable setups out there. This is perfect for you if you want bright, wide coverage lighting without extra gadgets and prefer something simple and tough. Skip this one if you really want remote control or need ultra-precise aiming. At under $25,
Product number 3, Joomer 80 Feet Solar String Lights. Now, if the last 2 were about security, this next one takes a completely different approach: mood lighting. The Joomer 80 Feet Solar String Lights are perfect for patios, gardens, or holiday decor. With 240 warm white LEDs across 2 40-foot strands, they create a cozy, inviting glow. And at no listed price, but with 8,000 plus sold, they're clearly popular. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ultra-thin, bendable wire lets you wrap them around trees, fences, or pergolas exactly how you want. The 8 lighting modes, including twinkle, fade, and wave, give you real flexibility for parties or everyday ambiance. Plus, the auto on-off sensor means they charge by day and light up at night with zero effort. IP65 waterproofing means they'll survive rain, snow, and winter storage. Now, some people complain that the lights can dim significantly after a few months, especially in areas with less sunlight. Here's the thing though, solar string lights aren't meant to last forever like wired ones, but for seasonal use or occasional decoration, they're fantastic. Just don't expect hospital-grade brightness. This is perfect for you if you want affordable, easy-to-install decorative lighting for holidays, weddings, or backyard vibes. Skip this one if you need bright, functional lighting for security or daily use.
Product number 4, HM City 120 LED 6-pack. All right, that was all about ambiance. But if you need reliable, everyday lighting from multiple spots, the HM City 6-pack is a smart move. At $29.99, you're getting 720 LEDs total, 120 per light, spread across your porch, balcony, or garden path. These are compact, but pack a punch with daylight white brightness. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The monocrystalline solar panel has up to 30% efficiency, meaning faster charging and better performance on cloudy days. The motion sensor works in 2 key modes: full brightness on detection, or dim with motion boost, so you save energy when no one's around. And with IP65 waterproofing and strong ABS construction, they're built to last through seasons. Installing 6 around your property gives you consistent coverage without blind spots. Now, some people complain that the motion sensor isn't super sensitive and works best in complete darkness. Here's the thing though, this is common with solar motion lights. To get the best performance, install them in open areas away from streetlights or other sources that might interfere. When set up right, they're very reliable. This is perfect for you if you want to light up multiple entry points for pathways affordably and don't need ultra-long range. Skip this one if you need wide area floodlighting or remote control.
Product number 5, Clowner 6-pack motion sensor lights. Finally, the Clowner 6-pack at $24.99 might be the best value of all. With 149 LEDs per unit and 800 lumens of cool white light, they cover up to 322 square feet each, perfect for fences, decks, or garage steps. The 22% efficient solar panel charges fast, and the 120-degree motion sensor reaches 26 feet, giving you solid detection without false alarms. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 3 lighting modes let you choose between all-night dim lighting or motion-activated bursts, so you balance security and battery life. The included mounting options, screws, tape, or rope, make installation a breeze, even for renters. And with a 2-year warranty and 60-day return policy, you're covered if anything goes wrong. Over 6,000 sold shows real trust in this brand. Now, some people complain that the cool white light feels a bit harsh compared to warmer tones. Here's the thing though, cool white is actually better for security because it improves visibility and contrast at night. If you're lighting a path or driveway, that's a plus, not a downside. This is perfect for you if you want bright, reliable lighting across multiple areas on a budget and value peace of mind with a solid warranty. Skip this one if you prefer warm lighting for ambiance. For under $25.
So which one should you pick? For security and remote control, go with Tough Enough. For simplicity and range, Defino wins. Want ambiance? Toomer's string lights are perfect. Need coverage everywhere? HM City or Clowner's 6-packs deliver insane value. All of these work. Just pick the one that fits your space, budget, and lighting goals. Thanks for watching, and stay bright out there.